Today, I'm going to teach you about 5 income streams and also reveal the 5 passive income streams that I make that make me minimum $20,000 a month and how you could realistically start any one of these passive income streams today. So if you're excited about that, go ahead and type in passive income in the comments because today I'm holding nothing back. Now, just to clarify what passive income is so we're all on the same page, it's income generated without having to trade your time for money. Now, speaking of trading time for money, it was only a short 3 years ago where I was every single week driving 7+ hours to and from work, and on top of that, another 40+ hours working inside the office, inside my cubicle, and it was kind of a dangerous situation because I was only making one income stream and it was active income. And so the truth is, I thought this was normal to work, your entire adult life to trade your time for money. And then when you're 62, have a luncheon retirement party and call it a day, and then live off of a very frugal retirement plan until your last years on this earth. Was I dead wrong? So keep in mind as we go through this video, passive income is going to take an upfront investment of education or time or money or all three. But trust me, it is extremely worth it for the financial stability of your future and for your retirement plan. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the first stream of passive income that I make, and that is dividends and interest. Now, as soon as I said that, your mind may have gone straight to maybe the stock market and earning dividend paying stocks, which in this case is not true. Now, that is something I do want to explore in the future. However, in this case, I'm talking about a method called infinite banking and leveraging a whole life insurance policy so that essentially I can become my own bank and banking system. Let me explain. So to explain the infinite banking concept a little bit better, let's imagine a savings account that you have where you're saving money, minimum 10% of your income, right? Every single month into a savings account, a normal savings account. Maybe by chance you have a savings account that's high interest paying savings account. So maybe you make, I don't know, $10 a year in this high interest savings account. I'm just throwing out numbers. But the idea is instead of putting your money into a high interest savings account or a normal savings account, you're putting your money into a whole life insurance policy that you have control over. So the idea is you create a policy, right? And then after that, you could immediately access the cash value from that whole life insurance policy. So you take out that amount. So let's say you create a whole life insurance policy for $2,000. Okay, so the amount of cash value available will be approximately $1,500. So you take that money, that $1,500, and use it to pay back debt, use it to pay your bills, use it however you need to. And so you're going to pay yourself back that amount, that $1,500, but you're going to do that and pay yourself back with interest. And so the beautiful thing about the whole life insurance policy is that not only are you paying yourself back, you're paying yourself back with interest. And at the end of the year, you receive a dividend from the life insurance policy. Now that all depends on how much your life insurance policy is worth. But the funnest part about infinite banking is that you're also receiving compound interest. Now, they say that compound interest is like the 8th wonder of the world, and it really is, because compounding interest over time will yield you way, way, way more for literally doing nothing than just earning like $1.12 from your savings account in an entire year. And so my future with infinite banking is to create more and more policies so I can have more and more compounding interest and more dividends over time. And I also in the future want to explore dividend paying stocks, but honestly, at this point, I don't have enough education to start investing my money into the stock market. I really want to understand it and get a good grasp before I start like my brokerage accounts and E-Trade and all that type of stuff. But of course, like always with anything I learn, I will share with you guys on this channel. So speaking of that, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button and join the family if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, because every single week I'm dropping fire on this channel twice a week. So subscribe for the weekly content. Okay guys, bear with me here. The second passive income stream that I earn is Google AdSense. Now, the Google AdSense that I make is made directly from my YouTube channel, what you're watching right now. So basically, as a YouTube creator, when you qualify for the YouTube Partnership Program, you get to earn Google AdSense on your YouTube channel, which means that for all the ads that play on your video, like the ones where you see where you can skip the ad, which don't let the ad skip, let them play, let them play. I get paid a portion of that money just for creating content on my channel, which I'm going to do anyway because I have a business to operate and I have to create content in order to keep that business going, right? So it's like creating content on Instagram or Facebook or any other platform. You might as well do it on YouTube because they pay you for it, right? You do have to qualify, but once you do, it is extremely worth it because I just had, for example, my highest Google AdSense month of $12,700. That was incredible. I was like, oh my goodness, yes! Because it truly is an incredible thing that you can create this residual income from creating videos and doing something, that I personally love. I enjoy creating content, I enjoy teaching, I enjoy learning the concepts and sharing my journey and documenting it with you guys. And so a couple of tips for starting your YouTube channel: be sure to first understand what your niche is. You can't have a channel about everything nowadays. That's one reason why my channel makes so much money, is because I teach people about wealth, generating profits, helping them with their online business, other different types of finance channels that talk about personal finance and the stock market and retirement accounts. They also are a profitable niche. Everything in the health and wealth niche. There's so many different profitable niches on YouTube, but the point is you have to pick one and really understand who your target audience is. Now, we talk way more about this in our Nail Your Niche workshop, which you can find in the link in the description. But the point is, this is a very important step to understand who it is so that your CPM could be higher, which is the dollar amount you get paid per 1,000 views. So YouTubers don't get paid by subscribers, they get paid by the amount of views that they generate on their channel. So the higher your CPM is, the better. So for example, on average, the CPM for all YouTubers in the world is about $2. Mine is between $40 to $50 because I'm niched down and I have a profitable niche topic. And so it's also very important when you start out with your YouTube channel, you start out with a bang. You take it seriously. You start creating videos consistently, and don't worry about if you have a Hollywood studio setup, like the fancy 4K camera, the lights, none of that. I started with, this laptop back here, the webcam that you're looking at right there. That was it. And my phone, the iPhone 6 or 7 that I had at the time. And those 3 tools took me all the way to 15,000 subscribers. And at that point, I decided, okay, cool. Now I'm generating a lot more revenue from my channel. Then I invested in the 4K camera. So to learn more about how you can grow a YouTube channel really fast and start generating money from it, go ahead and download my Subscribers to Sales Blueprint, which goes over the 6 steps on how exactly to create a profitable YouTube channel that generates you passive income. So the third passive income stream that I make is software product commissions. So software product commissions, basically a fancy way to say affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my jam. I love it. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically you are the middleman and you connect the buyer to the seller. And when you do that through your affiliate link for a specific product, so maybe it's a affiliate link for a blender on Amazon, right? Just as an example. When you share that link and somebody buys that product from your link, you get the commission. It's one of my favorite ways to generate an income online. It's something that's very low risk to start, and you can get started for free. So I highly recommend it. So anything that you are using right now, anything online that you are using, maybe a software tool, maybe an app on your phone, anything that you can share and recommend to a friend or family or contacts that you know in your network, definitely start to do it and get your feet wet with affiliate marketing, because it is a very passive income stream, especially with the types of tools that I promote. So I love promoting business software tools like sales funnel builders and email marketing platforms and video creation tools, video editing tools, things that I actively use in my business. I share with my audience and recommend it to them because it is a great way to make residual income and passive income, and you can scale it very easily. So let's say your first month you get 5 sales. Okay, well then the next month you get 10 sales. Well, altogether you're getting 15 sales with an, X amount of commissions. So those affiliate commissions and sales just keep stacking up and your residual income keeps growing. So it's a very beautiful thing. This is a snapshot of a $3,000 check that I recently made from promoting a tool called Kartra. Kartra is an all-in-one business platform that I use actively every single day in my business. It has sales funnels, email marketing, you can build a membership site on there, and I love the tool. It's the reason why I'm able to generate and scale my business online because of it. And so when people sign up through my affiliate link, I offer a bonus. It's called Funnels on Fire, and it's a sales funnel course. It teaches you how to build a sales funnel from scratch, even if you have no experience, and get up and running within a couple of days, right? And so that's why I'm able to have those $3,000 checks, is because I offer value when people subscribe to my affiliate link. So that's a great way. If you're thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, definitely think about what else can you offer if people join with you, okay? Like maybe offer training on how to use the product or something like that. Or if the product is a little bit higher ticket, maybe you can offer some type of coaching with you. Maybe you can offer a 30-minute call. I don't know, but it's really cool to offer bonuses with the affiliate products that you promote, because it'll increase your revenue like crazy. All right, so coming in at number 4 for passive income streams is my low ticket digital product. Now, if you haven't seen my very last video on this channel where I talk about a value ladder, you might want to check that out. So you can check that out up here. And I explain everything about what a value ladder is, but just to define what it is again, a value ladder is when you have something in your business where you offer everything from something free all the way up to a very high ticket product that costs several $1,000s. And so in my case, I just created a low ticket product under $40 because not everybody in my audience can afford my higher ticket product, which is closer to the $1,000 mark, okay? And so I just created this product because it's a low barrier of entry, because it's cheaper, so more people can buy it. And the more people buy this low ticket product, the better, because this product is geared to have you get a very quick win so that you can get that quick win, be excited about it, and move on to the next step. So some people will buy my higher ticket offer and some people won't. But for the people that didn't buy the higher ticket offer, I was still able to make a connection with them and generate that $40 sale as opposed to $0. So consider when you are thinking about digital product creation, what is a lower ticket offer, maybe for $20 to $40 to $50, nothing over $100, right? That you can offer to your audience, where you can create a irresistible offer that's a no-brainer for them to buy. They're like, oh, okay, $27? Yeah, I'm going to buy it and not think twice. And so the cool thing is, we recently had last month a Cyber Monday sale, and it was really fun because that is when our team launched the low ticket product. And that was really fun because normally it's about $40, but we offered it for 50% off for the Cyber Monday, and we were able to generate around 70 sales. So the total revenue was about $1,700. And the cool thing about it is that it's a digital product, so it only needs to be created one time, and you can sell it after that as many times as you want. And so when I talk about digital product creation and creating passive income from your own products, I do highly recommend that you start with a lower ticket offer, because it's a great way to create an offer quickly within just a couple of days, sell it, see if there's a demand for it in the market, and then scale it from there. And then the next step would be to create a higher ticket product. And so, speaking of higher ticket products, coming in at number 5 for the 5th passive income stream is high ticket products. Now, what exactly is a high ticket product? A high ticket product is anything, I guess you could say, over $500. So you have a product that you charge $500 up to $2,500, and that is considered high ticket. So I have a product around the $1,000 mark, which I launched approximately in May of 2020. And that is my highest source of passive income, and also my premium product where you could get virtual mentorship from me and access to Team Marissa Romero. And so creating a product like this is amazing. When you have a higher ticket product, it is because you are solving a big problem in your audience's life, or your target client, your target avatar. Okay, and so the bigger problem you can solve for somebody, the higher you can charge with your product. And so in my case, my high ticket product is a video module course. It's composed of, I think, over 50 video lessons. There's templates, there's PDFs, there's workbooks, there's all kinds of fun tools and resources. And not only that, there's also coaching calls that our students get access to every single month, where we talk about different things related to the course, but also other things that aren't in the course that they only get access to when they come to the coaching call. So it's really something special. So that product took a while to create. It took about 7 months to create, which is kind of a long time, but is something that you want to take good care in, because you don't want to just rush through a product creation and throw it up and then your product be shit. Because if you do that, you won't be able to scale a product that doesn't help people, okay? If your product doesn't work, then that's a big red flag, okay? So you want to definitely take your time if you're considering building a higher ticket product, because it's worth it, right? And it's to protect your brand, to protect your online business. You want to have a good reputation. You want students to come into the product and rave about it and be like, yes, yes, and want to recommend it to other people. And so that's one of my biggest advice to you guys. And so the point is, you learn when you launch a lower ticket product what else your students are looking for, what other pain points you can solve. And that's where you can solve a lot more of them in the higher ticket when you package it up and offer it. And so you may be wondering, okay, Marissa, but where do I, put, or how do I host a membership or create a digital product? How is it done? As I mentioned before, Kartra is the one online business tool that I use to host all of my digital products. So to host my lower ticket, to host my funnels, to host my higher ticket membership or my higher ticket premium program. And that's something that's very important to keep in mind when you're looking for a program to host your digital courses. So there's Kajabi, that one's also very popular. There's Teachable, and there's a couple of others out there. But the reason why I love Kartra is because you don't have to invest in any other tool. All of it is right there. So for example, for your digital products, you're going to need a landing page, you're going to need a sales page, you're going to need all of these other tools to help sell the product. You're going to need a checkout page, you're going to need to be able to analyze the transactions and the details of payments. So you're going to have to be able to accept PayPal, credit card, and other forms of payment. And so that's why I always choose Kartra, is because it has all of that built into it already. But the choice is yours, whichever program you decide to use. Just be sure it's a program that minimum you can collect payments and create a sales funnel page for your product. All right, if you're still here, I know you like this video, or else you wouldn't be here. So why don't we keep the party going, keep up the fun, and why don't you come join me in my free masterclass, where we are going over how to create a YouTube channel, what you're watching right now, that grows really fast and that sells, and that'll help you generate multiple passive income streams and all of that fun stuff. So if you're interested, it's completely free. Go ahead and grab a seat right here by clicking the link below. I can't wait to see you inside the masterclass, and the masterclass starts right now. Just click the link below. See you there.